In the shadowed depths of the ancient Pisgah forest, there stands a solitary figure, the last tree, an ancient oak aged 574 years. It is a sentinel of silent grandeur, bearing witness to the ebb and flow of human history. Crafted from the very essence of this venerable oak, there sits a chair, a relic of a bygone era, fashioned with care. Each curve and groove tells a tale of ages past, a testament to nature's enduring resilience. As you trace your fingers along its feathered surface, the echoes of the ancient forest whisper tales of endurance and wisdom. The last tree has borne witness to the rise and fall of empires, from European colonizers and their displacement of the Cherokee to world wars and climate change. And yet, despite progress and destruction, the last tree remains steadfast, a silent sentinel reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living things. As the last tree stands alone amidst a forever altered landscape, it wonders if its greatness will be remembered, if its sacrifice will be mourned. In the Pisgah forest, a tragedy unfolded. Microplastics, born of human greed, infiltrated the sacred groves, poisoning the essence of life. The tree withered, its leaves turning sickly gray as the toxic tendrils of plastic choked its being. The last tree collapsed into the earth, leaving behind a void, a testament to the inexorable march of time and the forces that shape the cosmos. In the depths of the ancient forest, a choice was made. A chair was wrought from the ancient oak's wood, a simple seat upon which to contemplate humanity's twilight. It serves as a reminder of mankind's hubris and folly. As the last rays of sunlight filtered through the ancient boughs, the chair stood as a silent sentinel, a testament of the impulsivity of mankind and the resilience of nature. Those who sat upon it found solace in its embrace. Then, amidst the silence, a floating bottle caught their eye. It carried a message, a warning from a world on the brink of collapse. The bottle was born of a cycle of consumption and destruction, a symbol of humanity's disregard for nature. The bottle left in the forest broke down into microparticles, hindering photosynthesis. It was a silent killer, choking the life out of the forest. Yet, amidst the devastation, there were those who clung to hope. As they reflected on their journey from bottles made of glass to bottles made of plastic, they felt despair. Humanity was growing richer in material wealth, but poorer in spirit. They knew the battle was far from over, but as long as there were those willing to fight, there was hope for a brighter tomorrow. As they sat amidst the remnants of the forest, their thoughts turned to the interconnectedness of all things, the butterfly effect. The small choices lead to far-reaching consequences. The headset they wore, a marvel of technology, was not exempt from environmental tolls. Every aspect of their interaction with modern technology left a mark on the natural world. Behind the scenes, vast arrays of servers consumed staggering amounts of electricity, further intensifying the environmental crisis. Every action has consequences, and they knew they couldn't turn away from their digital footprint like a heavy anchor pulling them down. The headset would eventually meet its end, leaching toxins into the soil. Even the strawberries they ate were poisoned by chemicals. They wondered about the fate of their world. They knew they would fall like the trees, victims of greed and indifference. Every decision had consequences. It was easy to dismiss their actions as inconsequential, but deep down, they knew the truth. As they prepared to leave the virtual realm, they felt guilt. Even if their actions here were virtual, the consequences were real. They knew they could no longer ignore the pressing need for change. This is a tale of reflection, urging us to consider the impact of our actions and the importance of preserving the natural world. The last chair of the forest and the plastic bottle serve as potent symbols, reminding us of the urgency of change and the enduring power of nature amidst human folly.